Today, I'm sharing 7 remote jobs that are always hiring but often overlooked. While they might not sound flashy, they offer solid pay and flexibility, and some don't even require an interview. 1. Insurance Claims Processor. This job is in high demand, yet it's one of the most overlooked remote opportunities. While it may not be the most exciting role, it offers stability and great earning potential. What you'll do: investigate and process insurance claims, review documents, and verify details. Ensure compliance with company policies. Salary range: $42,000 to $62,000 per year. How to get started: learn basic insurance terminology, brush up on attention to detail. Get familiar with data entry software. Consider an insurance claims certification. Many companies offer training. Where to find jobs: check LinkedIn, Indeed, and company career pages. Opportunity score: 8.5 out of 10. 2. Medical Billing Specialist. Medical billing specialists act as the bridge between healthcare providers and insurance companies, ensuring that doctors get paid properly. Why this job is growing: the healthcare industry is recession-proof. No medical degree required. High demand for skilled billers. Salary range: $47,000 to $69,000 per year. How to get started: get certified in medical billing and coding. Learn basic medical terminology, familiarize yourself with billing software, understand HIPAA compliance, patient privacy laws. Where to find jobs: Glassdoor, Indeed, LinkedIn. Opportunity score: 9 out of 10. 3. Legal Transcriptionist. If you love legal dramas or true crime shows, this could be the perfect job for you. Legal transcriptionists convert court proceedings and legal meetings into written documents. What you'll do: listen to and transcribe audio files, ensure accuracy in legal documents. Use transcription software to streamline work. Salary range: $41,000 to $67,000 per year. Hire if you specialize in real-time court reporting. How to get started: take a legal transcription course, learn legal terminology, improve typing speed, aim for 75+ words per minute. Where to find jobs: Google Jobs, freelance platforms, and law firms. Opportunity score: 8 out of 10. 4. Virtual Executive Assistant. Busy entrepreneurs and small business owners are always looking for skilled assistants to manage their schedules and handle administrative tasks. What you'll do: manage emails and calendars, book flights and accommodations, assist with bookkeeping and administrative tasks. Salary range: $47,000 to $73,000 per year. How to get started: develop strong organizational and communication skills, learn basic bookkeeping, get comfortable with video conferencing tools. Where to find jobs: LinkedIn, Indeed, virtual assistant agencies. Opportunity score: 9 out of 10. 5. Remote Hotel Booking Coordinator. If you enjoy planning trips, this job lets you help people book their vacations and business trips all from home. What you'll do: handle reservations and manage bookings, provide travel assistance to customers, resolve booking issues. Salary range: $41,000 to $57,000 per year plus potential travel perks. How to get started: learn about hotel booking systems, master customer service skills, get familiar with property management software. Where to find jobs: Google Jobs, FlexJobs, travel company websites. Opportunity score: 8 out of 10. 6. Online Order Processor. With the rise of e-commerce, online order processors ensure that customers receive the correct products on time. What you'll do: process and verify orders, track shipments, and manage returns. Coordinate with warehouse teams. Salary range: $37,000 to $53,000 per year. How to get started: learn basic data entry skills, get familiar with inventory management software, improve typing speed, 50+ words per minute. Where to find jobs: Indeed, e-commerce company job boards. Opportunity score: 7.5 out of 10. 7. Remote Property Management Assistant. Real estate never slows down, and property managers often need remote assistance to handle paperwork and tenant communication. What you'll do: coordinate maintenance requests, handle tenant communications, manage rental documents and property listings. Salary range: $44,000 to $56,000 per year. Some positions offer bonuses or commissions. How to get started: learn basic property management software, understand rental laws and regulations, improve virtual communication skills. Where to find jobs: Indeed, FlexJobs, real estate company websites. Opportunity score: 9 out of 10. If you're looking for a way to break into remote work, why not start applying today? Your perfect remote career could be just one application away.